Exploring the Universe, a comprehensive guide to the history and future of space exploration. In ancient times, people gazed at the stars in awe, imagining the endless possibilities of the universe. They developed myths and legends about the celestial bodies, and used the stars for navigation and to predict the changing seasons. But it wasn't until the invention of the telescope in the 1600s that our understanding of the universe truly began to expand. With the advent of telescopes, astronomers were able to make precise measurements of the positions and motions of celestial bodies. They were also able to observe the craters on the Moon, the rings of Saturn, and the phases of Venus. This led to a newfound appreciation for the scale and complexity of the universe, and fueled further advancements in astronomy and technology. In the 20th century, the development of rocket technology and the Cold War led to an acceleration in the race to explore space. In 1961, Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human to travel to space, and in 1969, American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the Moon. These events marked a new era in human history, and inspired a generation of scientists, engineers, and adventurers to pursue their dreams of exploring the final frontier. The space race. The 20th century was marked by a race to explore space between two of the world's superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union. This competition, known as the space race, was fueled by Cold War tensions and a desire to demonstrate technological and scientific superiority. The Soviet Union got off to an early start, launching the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, into orbit in 1957. This event stunned the world and sparked fears of Soviet domination in space. In response, the United States ramped up its efforts to explore space, leading to a series of firsts in space exploration. One of the most notable achievements of the space race was the Apollo moon landing in 1969. The mission was a stunning feat of engineering, with the moon landing being broadcast live to a worldwide audience. The Apollo program not only demonstrated the technological prowess of the United States, but it also inspired a generation of scientists and engineers to pursue careers in space exploration. However, the space race was not limited to human spaceflight. Both the United States and the Soviet Union launched a series of robotic missions to explore the Moon, Mars, and other celestial bodies. These missions helped lay the groundwork for future human exploration and provided valuable data on the origins and evolution of the solar system. The space race came to a close in the 1970s with the signing of the Anti-Ballistic Missile Treaty and the start of détente between the United States and the Soviet Union. Despite the end of the space race, the exploration of space continued, with new missions being launched to study the Sun, the planets, and the universe beyond. The expansion of space exploration. In the decades following the end of the space race, space exploration continued to expand and diversify. Advances in technology and international cooperation allowed for new types of missions and greater scientific understanding of the universe. One major development was the creation of the Space Shuttle program in the United States. The Space Shuttle was a reusable spacecraft that could carry astronauts and payloads into low Earth orbit. This marked a departure from previous spacecraft, which were designed for one-time use only. The Space Shuttle program paved the way for the construction of the International Space Station, a joint project between multiple countries to establish a permanent human presence in space. Another important development was the increasing role of robotic missions in space exploration. Robotic spacecraft were sent to all the major planets in the solar system, providing unprecedented data and images of these distant worlds. Some of the most notable missions include the Voyager missions to the outer planets, the Mars rovers, and the Cassini mission to Saturn. In recent years, there has also been a growing interest in commercial space exploration. Private companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin are developing reusable rockets and spacecraft, with the goal of reducing the cost and increasing the accessibility of space exploration. These companies are also exploring the potential for space tourism, mining, and even colonizing other planets. As space exploration continues to expand, new frontiers are being opened up and new questions are being asked. With each new mission, we are learning more about the universe and our place within it. The future of space exploration is filled with possibilities, and it is an exciting time to be a part of this field. The future of space exploration. The future of space exploration is filled with possibilities, and we are only beginning to scratch the surface of what is possible. With each new mission, we are learning more about the universe and our place within it, and this knowledge is helping to guide our future plans for space exploration. One of the major goals for the future of space exploration is to send humans to Mars. This would represent a major milestone in human spaceflight, and would provide new opportunities for scientific discovery and the potential for future colonization. Another important goal is to continue exploring the solar system, including missions to the outer planets, asteroids, and even beyond. This will allow us to gather more data and information about the universe and its origins, and help us to better understand our place within it. The private sector is also playing an increasingly important role in the future of space exploration. Companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin are developing reusable rockets and spacecraft, and are exploring the potential for space tourism and commercial activities such as space mining. This is helping to make space exploration more accessible and affordable, and is paving the way for new frontiers in space. International cooperation will play a critical role in the future of space exploration. By working together, countries can pool their resources, knowledge, and expertise to achieve common goals and achieve greater success. This is exemplified by the International Space Station, which has been a model of international cooperation in space. The future of space exploration is bright, and the possibilities are endless. With each new mission, we are learning more about the universe and our place within it, and this knowledge is guiding our future plans for space exploration. Don't miss out on the latest news, insights, and analysis on the cutting edge of space exploration. Subscribe to Black Screen Science today.